After uploading the code, serial transmission code to the Arduino Uno board, we got the message, welcome to CP Lab. CP Lab message display on the serial monitor. Next, we are going to the echo program. Means whatever we want to display on the PC, that must be read by the microcontroller. Again, the same character, whatever we are entered under the system, the same character read by the microcontroller, and same should be sent to the PC. This is the echo program. That is nothing but a reflected back. You see the echo program. This is the echo. This is the echo program. The setup serial dot begin 9600. The loop, first we want to check whether data is coming from the PC or not. If the data is coming from the PC, first we want to read it, and I want to store in some temporary variable A. And after reading the data from the PC, that will be stored in the A. Again, the same character I will send to, I'm sending to the PC serial dot write A. First, we want to check whether data is coming from the PC or not. If it is available, we want to read the data, and I want to store in some temporary variable A. After that, I will send that same character into the PC. If you want to upload the program to Git, same thing, you can upload. After uploading, there is a on the right side there is a serial monitor is there. You can click on this. Okay, there is a window will be open. Okay. You want to see the output on in the serial window. See your serial window. Okay, whatever you want to enter. Suppose I am entering I. If I am entering I from the PC means if I am entering the I, that will be read by the microcontroller and stored in some temporary variable, again reflected back to the PC. Suppose I'm sending hello. This is the echo program. Coming to the program to develop a PC-based appliance control. Means I want to control from a LED or AC bulb from the PC using Arduino Uno board and laptop. Okay. Here I am using the personal computer in which I have installed the Arduino IDE. If I am pressing 1 means LED on, pressing 2 means LED should be off. This is our microcontroller unit means that our Arduino Uno board in which LED is connected to the 13th pin. Okay. See the code, okay, in the setup. Okay. In between Arduino Uno and laptop is a serial communication. So we are using the serial communication command is serial dot begin 9600. Okay, and I want to I have connected the LED to 13th pin. So 13th pin we are declaring as a output pin. More 13th come out means 13th pin as a output. So LED is also acting as the output. Next, in the loop, I want to check whether we are entering the data or not. While our serial dot available. If I want to check whether data is available or not. If it is available means I want to read it and store in some temporary variable. And once again I'm sending to the PC. I want to check whether I have entered data is correctly read by the microcontroller or not. If A equal 1 means, if I am entering the 1 means, I am going to the if loop, LED should be on, digital right, 13 comma I means LED should be on the serial monitor, LED is on, message will be displayed. As other than 1 means, LED should be off, serial dot intel, LED should be off. Same thing we want to see on the serial one system. This is our program. In the setup, serial dot B 9600, the LED is connected to 13 pin. I want to check if it is 1 means LED should be on, as LED should be on. Same thing I want to upload in our Arduino board. Suppose I am entering 1 means LED should be on. If you see the Arduino Uno board, there is LED should be on. Other than 1, suppose I am entering 2 means LED should be off. Entering 1 means on, 2 means same thing you want to see on the one means LED should be on, the message is LED on, other than 1, that may be anything, LED should be off. Based on the serial communication command, we can implement any application, wireless based application like Bluetooth based appliance control, Zigbee based appliance controls, or IoT based appliance control. For anything, now to connect the Bluetooth or Zigbee, they are using the serial communication principle only. Okay. This is regarding introduction to Arduino Uno and its programming. Thank you.